Welcome or welcome back to WatchAdvisor on YouTube. It's Alexander speaking, your host, and with me is Anthony De Haas, Head of Product Development at Lange & Söhne, and it is a video where he will do my job. I will just sit beside him and watch what he is doing. He is presenting you the watch as you always see them, and you know that we only show watches. And Anthony, I'm glad that you're working for me this morning. We did not agree on a payment yet, but I hope the check will be that we can afford.
We can work on this. We can work on this.
Okay, enjoy please. And we are presenting you a new minute repeater coming from Lange & Söhne, and this is simply a gorgeous watch, fantastic watch. And there's no one could imagine that could present the watch better than Anthony can.
Thank you. Shall we start?
Yeah, let's go.
Don't forget to subscribe and to hit the bell to get our latest notifications.
So here we have the Richard Lange minute repeater. The case diameter is 39 millimeters, made out of platinum and only 9.7 millimeters thick. It's even waterproof, and it's our first classical minute repeater, which means you have to pull the slide to make it sound. And then it strikes the hours in a low-pitched gong, the quarters in a high low-pitched gong, and the minutes in a high-pitched gong. Maybe we should just try out how it sounds. Apart from that beautiful striking mechanism, it is also equipped with an enamel dial, a three-piece classical enamel dial. Three-piece, what do I mean? You have three levels, so in fact you have to make three dials, partly cut them and then put them together so you create three different heights of levels. Yep. So here we have the movement side of this 50-piece limited edition. So here you have 72 hours of power reserve. The ratchet wheel for the barrel, then the gear train and the balance wheel. On this side you see the hammers. Around the movement you will have the gongs, the little barrel for the minute repeater, and this is equipped with a silent fly governor to regulate the speed of the repeater. Shall we just play with it again?
Yeah, please.
So as you may saw, I activated the slide, which is positioned on the side of the watch, which is quite a challenge if you want to make a minute repeater waterproof. This is the delicate part to get waterproof. Further, a last view on the beautiful dial.
Even though you prominently see the new Odysseus in the background, I thank you very much for watching the video about the new minute repeater of Lange & Söhne that Anthony De Haas presented us. Stay tuned on our channel on WatchAdvisor on YouTube. If you have questions, please use the comment sections. If you have comments to make, do use it as well. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out all the other videos we are bringing you from Watches and Wonders 2022.